Troy, directors with Madison County Emergency Management have been in and out of meetings all day today with surrounding cities discussing their storm plans. And businesses throughout the county are preparing for the possibility of flash flooding. One company manager in a flood-prone area of Ridgeland says flood insurance is what saved him from bankruptcy many times before.
We're pulling all the cars inside because we flooded 2 times in the last 9 months, and outside gets 2 to 3 feet of water, and it gets right up to the bottom of the door edges there. And with all this anticipated rain coming in, I don't want it coming all the way in the cars.
He says if it did get that bad, he would lose $1 million worth of inventory. Emergency managers are planning for the worst, but doing what they can to prevent that. Coming up at 6, they'll tell us about those plans. Live in Madison County, Jennifer Lott, 16 WAPT News.